What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Santa's little helper from The Simpsons. Let's begin today's lesson all the way up the top of our page with the eyes. We're going to start with the one on the right. We're going to start at the very top. We're going to draw a circle coming all the way around and then back up towards the top. Let's draw the same size circle over on the left side. We're going to tuck it in on the inside. So let's start at the very top, go up towards the same height, and then bend that back in. Now with the pupils, we want to push them out towards the sides. So on the left, we're going to step out from the center, add a black dot, and then in the center of the right eye, we'll move over, do the same thing. Let's go to the bottom left side of the left eye. I'm going to curve the muzzle, coming down and then out. Add a circle on the end for the nose, and we'll fill that in black. Now from the bottom of the nose, let's draw the mouth. We're going to come down, bend this up, and then across. Step back over towards the left, draw the lower lip. And bend this down and then in towards the chin. Let's go back to the top of the left eye and draw the brow. We're going to bend this up and in. Curve the head, going up and then across towards the ear. I'm going to layer the ear on top of the head. So we're going to step down, bend this up, come down and then up. Round up the side of the ear, and then bend that down. Let's round up the bottom of the ear, bend this up, and then in. Now I want to create a fold across the bottom, just tucking that in along the side. Let's layer the left ear in behind the head. So we're going to line this up over on the side of the head, bend this out, and then down, and then curl that up towards the eye. Now from here, we're going to go back to the chin and draw the front of the body. Let's start by bending this in around the neck, go out towards the chest, and then pull that in towards the front leg. And then we'll layer the front leg on top of the body. From here, we're going to step up, bend this down, and then in, bend this down, and then out towards the ankle. Let's draw an oval for the foot, going all the way around. And I just want to pull that up on the right side. Bend this up and then out. Let's work our way across the inside of the leg. We're going to go up and then out. Round this out, go up towards the top. Let's duplicate that leg in behind the body on the side. We're going to start up here, start with that curve coming down, bend this down and then out. Let's add that oval for the foot, going all the way in. Bend that out. Let's follow that same curve across the back of the leg, going up, and then tuck that up underneath. Let's go back up to the top and draw the back of the head, starting underneath the ear, bend this down and then in. We're going to round out the back, coming down, go all the way out towards the back. Let's round out the body, coming in towards the hind leg, right about there. Now I also want to layer the hind leg on top of the body. So we're going to step up, bend this down, and then back. And then we'll bend the leg coming down and out towards the left. Let's round out the foot, going up, down, and then in. Let's draw the front of the leg. We're going to bend this up, go all the way up towards the top, round out the leg, and then bend that down. Now the body's going to continue on the right side of the front leg. We're just going to bend this in and then down towards the rib cage. Let's add some ribs. From the leg, add one curve, and add two smaller ones going out. Now I want to duplicate that leg in behind. We're going to start with the bottom of the leg. We're going to start up here, bend this down, and then across. Let's step up, bend the leg coming in, round up the leg, and then go up. Let's go to the right side of the body and add the tail. We'll start with the bottom edge first, going down, out, and then bend that in. And I want to taper this so the tail gets wider as it comes back in toward the body. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Santa's little helper from The Simpsons. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.